In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a dataset from multiple data sources as workbook authors in Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. If the data I need for a visualization isn't located in a single source, I need to create my own dataset. A dataset can be created from a combination of connections and files such as Excel, CSV, and text files. I'll begin on the home page by selecting Create, and then Dataset to open the Create Dataset dialog. I want to create a dataset that includes sales and promotions tables with relationships defined between the tables. I'll create this dataset using two sources, an Autonomous Data Warehouse instance and a data file. I've previously created a connection to an Oracle Autonomous Warehouse. So in the Create Dataset dialog, I'll select the ADW connection data source. The Connections data pane displays a list of all the available schemas. I'll expand Schemas, then the SH user schema, and drag the Customers, Products, Sales, and Times table to the join diagram. Since I have Auto Join Tables enabled, the system automatically identified matching columns to join each table by name and data type. I'll confirm which columns matched when I select the join icon that connects these two tables. In this case, it's the customer ID displayed as Cust ID for sales and customers. This means only rows with matching Cust ID values in both tables will appear in the output. By default, the join type is an inner join, which I can change by selecting a different join. For example, I only want data for customers who have sales data, so I'll leave this as an inner join. Notice that the sales table has attributes and measures. I'll use the Prom ID attribute later. Next, I'll add my second data source. I'll select the Add icon and then Add File. I can select from Excel, CSV, or text files that are stored locally. I'll navigate to and select my Sales Promotions dataset, which is a local Excel file. Then select Open. I'll confirm I have the correct data in the preview and select OK. When I do this, the table isn't automatically joined because I need to specify which columns to match and to which table. Before doing that, I'll change the Prom ID from a measure to an attribute so I can use it to match my sales table. I'll select the measure icon, then select Attribute. Next, I'll select and drag the join manually from Sales Table to Sales Promotion Dataset table. The final step is to select the join icon and confirm the promo ID for both Sales Table and the Promotions Dataset table. Now I have a complete dataset to create workbooks for visualization and analysis. Find additional videos and more information on using Fusion Data Intelligence resources in the links below.